Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fade in Logic Pro. So let's select on our timeline one audio region. So select one, and now what we are going to do is bottom left corner, select the middle icon, and yeah, then we have here, make sure that you have region, and under the general we can now sorry, if we scroll down a little bit you will see fade start. So this means like fade in style. We can adjust here speed up or fade in, as you can see. Now time, we can adjust milliseconds, so let's say 50 milliseconds. Done. And then curve, we can also adjust curve if we want it, so we can go with 5. And yeah, this is basically it, how we can adjust fade in. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.